Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn polynomials based on degree, right? In the last class we have learned polynomials based on terms, right? So based on degree, we have four types of polynomials. That means, see, whenever we see the degree is 0 in the first case, and in the second case if the degree is 1, and in the third case if the degree is 2, and in the fourth case if the degree is 3, right? These are the four cases. The degree is 0, degree is 1, degree is 2, and the degree is 3. See, if we find the degree is 0, then the polynomial is said to be a constant polynomial. Right? If the degree is 1, then the polynomial is considered as linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, then the polynomial is said to be a quadratic polynomial. And if the degree is 3, then the polynomial is considered as cubic polynomial. Right? Understood? If the degree is 0, then it is said to be constant. The degree is 1, it is said to be linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, it is considered as quadratic. If the degree is 3, then the polynomial is said to be a cubic polynomial. Right? So what is degree? Right? In the last class we have discussed about degree. Degree means what? The highest power. Right? See, let us take example. Here we have x power 6. Right? What is the degree? Here 6. Right? This 6 is known as a degree. Right? Now say me 2x square plus 3x plus 6. In the given polynomial, what is the degree? Here the power of x is 2 and here the power of x is 1. But the degree is 2. Why? So degree is always the highest power. Here highest power is how much? 2. Therefore the degree of polynomial is 2. Now say me whether 2x square plus 3x plus 6 is a what type of polynomial? So what is the degree? 2. See, whenever we see the degree 2, then the polynomial is said to be a quadratic polynomial, right? Therefore 2x square plus 3x plus 6 is said to be a quadratic polynomial. So similarly we can find all types of polynomials, right? First one, constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is what? The degree is 0. See, when the degree is 0, let us take an example 5. 5. So it is a numerical expression, but although it is a numerical expression, it may be considered as algebraic expression. Why means, see, this 5 can be considered as 5 into x power 0. 5 into x power 0. What is the value of x power 0? 1. 5 into 1, 5. So that means already we know a power 0 is 1. So similarly here x power 0 means 1. 5 into 1, 5. So constant polynomial is always a numerical, right? So this 5 is an example for constant polynomial, right? Now linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means what? The degree must be 1, right? In 5x, what is the degree? 1, right? Or this 5x plus 6. This is also going to be a linear polynomial because here what is the degree? 1, right? So linear polynomial is always the degree 1. So quadratic polynomial. 5x square plus 6x plus 3. Here what is the degree? 2. So this can be considered as quadratic polynomial. Now cubic polynomial. 5x cube plus 6x square plus 3x plus 2. This can be considered as cubic polynomial because the degree is 3. Here 3, here 2, here 1. Highest degree is 3. This can be considered as cubic polynomial.